Mevo Cloud. Power your digital future.
Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command. Run the following command to install the necessary dependencies. Run the next commands to install the Apache web server. Install MariaDB by running the following commands. Now create a user and database. Run the next commands. Install PHP and required extensions. TYPO3 requires PHP 8.3. So run the next commands. The next step is to install Composer. Run the next commands. Create TYPO3 project with the next command. Now set the proper permission. Next step is to create a virtual host. Run the next command and insert the following code. Don't forget to change the server name with your IP address or domain name. Enable site and mode rewrite with the next comments. Create the marker file to start installation and run the following comments. Now open your web browser and go by your domain name or IP address. The next what you need to do is to configure the database in Wizard. After that, create admin account, configure the basic site settings, and now you can access the backend. That's it. If you have any question, please leave them in comments.